doing? Taking the rivets out. That's what I'm doing. There we go. What I did was I removed. Hold on, see if I can pry this up with the wrong tool. There we go. See? Oops. This is the music box. Maybe I could move it. That'd be really cool if I could. There's a little piece here. I guess it goes like that. How the hell did that go? Oh, it goes the other way. Duh! Goes the other way. It's this way and that way. See? Let me get it. I just ruined the 1960s plucky thing. Anyway, I am going to get that up there, that out of there. Come on, out. Ouch, these are some sharp rivets. Holy camolies, come on. There we go. I'm gonna glue that in there like that. I'm gonna glue that in there so it looks like. It'd be good if I could just see that was glued on like this. Maybe I can just. I bet I can't put something over it just to keep it in place. Maybe I should make a little plate to go over it. This way I can just, you can turn it. Huh? That'd be cool. Keep it turnable. I don't know. Turnable, is that a word? I could have put it on backwards, but then it would be upside down. But anyway, that's what I'm doing here. This back in here. It's all gonna get put back together and turn into a nice clock. Why was it why did I take it apart? I don't normally take shit like that apart. But it one of the hands inside the Fisher Price thing was busted. So I figured $3. Yeah, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.